Alright. Clear right, clear left. Alright, base and final are clear. And I heard a decathlon pattern.
Decathlon, turn left base, 30 Lee.
We'll wait for him real quick.
Decathlon's going to turn short final, 30 Lee.
There you go. Well done. Base and final are clear.
Lead traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, taking runway 30 for departure.
He's on the runway. So we'll use as much runway as we can get here so we get max performance out of the air.
Decathlon's clear, 30 Lee.
And we're going to look down the runway. We're going to verify the runway with our bulb compass. 030. Brakes are set. Looking for 55. Wind looks like we got it maybe a little bit to the right here.
N216SP Skyline, 1 minute for jumpers.
Power. Our gauges are in the green. P flat on the floor. Rotor for P factor. Looking for 55. Airspeed's alive. There's 55. Over. Show that airspeed. Maintain runway heading. Feet, positive rate, flaps up. Continue our climb. Feet.
And lead traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn across, went to the downwind from runway 30. We'll be exiting the pattern to the south. Last call, lead.
Watch traffic, Cessna Skyline, 2 canopies away.
Got some birds right here. Stay where you're at, birds. Flaps are up, visual flaps up. Off. Timer for 2. We'll switch over to Potomac.
Yeah, Potomac approach. Cessna 216 Sierra Pop softly. Southbound 1,500, timer for 2.
Cessna 216 Sierra Pop up Potomac approach. Baltimore altimeter 3002. Transponder observed.
Yeah, 3002 on the altimeter. Transponder observed at 216 Sierra Pop.
Little bumps.
Cherokee Natter Auxiliary Hotel, you have left the SFRA, squawk VFR frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR
2000. Down to 1,000 feet, farmers harvesting corn. And we're going to swing wide and we'll enter the pattern on the 45. The departure end of 29 now. 700 feet. Looks like that a construction crew, whatever they're doing, is off.
And St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, center to 45 to downwind, runway 29, left traffic. Do a couple on the pattern here. St. Mary's.
St. Mary's traffic, last air 232 Mike Delta is back taxiing at Charlie on runway 29 for the 29 run up, St. Mary's.
And St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, center in the downwind for runway 29, left traffic, St. Mary's.
Two Mike Delta is clear 29 at St. Mary's.
Alright, so halfway up the strut here. Our distance from the runway.
West Point traffic, November 2570 Romeo. We're off the approach end of 10 at 2700. We're going to climb up to 3000, get out of your way. I see you on the strip. We're heading south. We should be out of your way here in a second.
Repeating the numbers, throttle back idle. Lights. We're slow into white arc.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn base, 1229, St. Mary's.
Gas on the carriage, Mr. Prop. Seat belts are fastened.
West Point traffic, 3 Mike Papa's on about a 3 mile 45 for left downwind 28 West Point.
Alright, out of here.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn final runway 29, St. Mary's.
Alright, full flaps, gas on the carriage, Mr. Prop. Got it all up here. 570. It looks good. What we have right here. A little bit of power. Feet flat on the floor. There's that sink that always comes. Hold it off. Up.
St. Mary's traffic, last air 232, Mike Delta, departing runway 29. The southwest bound departure, St. Mary's.
St. Mary's traffic, 260, pop clear 29.
Alright, let's go do another one. Well. Ooh. Base and final are clear.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216, Papa back taxi and runway 29. St. Mary's. St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216, pop clear 29.
Alright, let's do a short field today. Let's do soft field. So flaps are going to be at 10. Verify flaps 10. Alright, elevator nose up, throttle full open. Check, we're going to fly off at 4550, stay in ground effect. We'll climb out at 6, no obstacle clearance. Yeah, we'll climb speed of 74, so have the 50.
St. Mary's County traffic, Albatross is 6 miles to the north and bound for 29 St. Mary's.
Alright. Make sure prop, fullest tank, both. Degree flaps, yoke all the way back.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216, pops taking runway 29 for departure, will be remaining in the pattern. Left traffic for 29 St. Mary's.
Base and final clear, base and final are clear. Yoke's all the way back, so we want to keep it all the way back. We don't want to simulating, we're in grass here. So stay off the brakes. Tying her up here. And we're going to just introduce our power. Out on the floor, control that P factor. Rudders. Set it up. That nose gear up. 45. Switch over, stay in ground effect here. And we'll let her pop. And we're above our obstacle, flaps up. Airspeed build, 74, climb out. 700 feet.
Yeah, St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn across, wind of the downwind, runway 29, left traffic, St. Mary's. St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, entering the downwind, runway 29, left traffic, St. Mary's.
Westpoint traffic, this is Cessna 927 Tango Charlie.
And the Albatross is approaching midfield for crossover. I got the downwind traffic, St. Mary's. We're going to follow you for full stop. Understood, I got you in sight.
That is cool. In a pattern with a relic like that. Albatross.
Westpoint traffic, this is Cessna 927 Tango Charlie, entering a west downwind and then leaving a pattern. West Point.
They have
West Point traffic, 3 Mike Papa, left base, 28 West Point.
gas under carry mixture prop. 23. 80 power off, and 1,000 foot marks will be our aim point here. So we're in white arc, but we're not going to put our flaps. We'll just put 10 in right now.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn base, runway 29, St. Mary's.
Definitely have some altitude. We're shooting for the 1,000 foot markers, but we don't have.
St. Mary's traffic, Albatross is left downwind 29, full stop, St. Mary's number 2. I got the traffic. Turn and final.
And we'll be entering west downwind, landing 22 Delaware Coastal.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, turn final, runway 29. This will be a full stop, St. Mary's.
Now we're going to make our runway, so I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of our flaps in here. Gas under carry mixture set, trim. Now we're shooting for the 1,000 foot markers. We are definitely coming a little high, a little fast. Right? 5. Got a ground effect here. We're going to get a little bit of float. Never force it down. So hold it off. Don't want it to touch. Don't let it touch. Don't let it touch. Don't touch. Right there, yes.
St. Mary's Albatross is approaching the left 90 for 29, full stop, St. Mary's. 3 down.
Now we're get off on Bravo.
West Point traffic, come play 6 Yankee jumpers, about 2 minutes, not 5 Point.
80.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 216 Sierra Pop, clear 29, St. Mary's.
Albatross is down.